Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, 2024. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Solana to Tether at Zondacrypto, and the particular reason we are looking at this asset is that it's coming down towards the critical technical support. So what is going on here? Let me just find out some levels for you so we will stay on the same page. Right, so first one is here, 168 tethers. So this is very important, the technical support. It is from the last week, so it might be tested soon. Now the other technical support is roughly around 165, and there's one more technical support. The key technical support is 163. So you got these three levels here, horizontal levels. All of them are technical technical supports. Let me just change them, change the color to the black, let's say this time, because it's always worth to stick to the one color for every chart. There you go. And this three levels constitute a demand zone. So the demand zone is located between 163 to 168, and the reason why we mark this demand zone is that we should see some kind of a reaction when the price dips towards the zone. As you can see, every time it dips, it bounces higher. Every time it dips, it bounces higher. Dip, bounce higher. Dip, bounce even above the 200 tethers. So that's the plan here on the Solana. The other very important level is, of course, the level of 209. This is the swing high, and the other level is 203 tethers. So right now, consolidation to the downside. All of this consolidation looks corrective, and it looks like it's built with three waves to the downside, A, B, C, three waves to the upside, A, B, C to the downside. So it's still corrective cycle, corrective pullback during the uptrend. So we should see sooner or later termination of this corrective cycle and the uptrend resumption. Let's find out how the RSI is showing the situation. So the RSI is coming off extremely overbought market conditions towards the level of 50, and just recently we broke below the level of 50 here. So now we are entering the negative zone. The negative sentiment bears might be in charge of this market very soon. So any violation of this demand zone would likely make the momentum to dive even deeper towards the level of 40, and that is a fully bearish territory. So we should see another movement lower if we got there. Possibly, if there is no immediate reaction from here to the upside, the Solana will likely break below 163 towards 152 or lower, and the momentum will go towards the extremely oversold levels. So that means the correction will be deeper in that situation. Okay, so please pay attention to these levels. Pay attention to the technical supports and to the demand zone, because the consequences of the breakout might be severe. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.